Hello there everyone, 𝗥𝗲𝗹𝗁. So in this video, I'm just going to explain one of my price targets for Bitcoin further. I'm going to discuss many more things, that how Bitcoin will perform in November, because we have US elections at that time. So that's going to be very, very crucial for us. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. So look at the Bitcoin currently. Right now, Bitcoin has retested this trend line in daily time frame. If you look at the here in daily time frame, it looks extremely bullish. And if you look at this in hourly time frame, it looks like we are going to crash. But what we have to look at the daily time frame. So this is now currently that we have retesting this trend line in daily time frame that we have created since March, and the next targets for Bitcoin is going to be the $71,000 first, and then we can see 73, and maybe we see all-time highs in November or before November if markets keeps going with this pace. So technically, markets is very strong. The only thing gonna disturb here is wars, because Israel's planning to attack on Iran. We have seen some news spreading out there. So if that happens, this is going to be impact on the market significantly, and we have to look at that clearly. We have to look at that carefully, because if we break below this area, so we again gonna come in this consolidation phase. And if we look at like this, so yeah, this is sort of rejection if we break below this $67,000 level. But still, I guess this is good, and still I'm expecting this is a retest before final pump, and everybody's waiting out there. So, and again, I'm watching some Twitter guys are just saying that Bitcoin will again drop below, and Bitcoin is going to pump further. This is the top for Bitcoin. 70K is top for Bitcoin. Many influencers I've seen talking this bullshit, but they don't understand one thing. I'm repeating this thing again and again, and those people who are following me who's gonna know these things, that Bitcoin is not yet top. Why? Because the institution's average buying price is around $48,000. So I think that they're gonna book their profits at 70K. Definitely not, because Bitcoin has a massive potential further. And still, I've seen people are waiting for drops, big drops in Bitcoin, but they don't try to accumulate it at this price. They don't try to accumulate it. So that's why they never make money in this market. I'm not going to predict what's going to be the top of Bitcoin. Maybe it's going to 100K, but I'm not going to, again, predict it and stay on my prediction. So whenever Bitcoin reaches 100K, I'm just going to sell some of my quantity, not going to sell full of my Bitcoins, because I have really healthy amount of Bitcoin in my wallet. So I'm not going to just sell whole Bitcoin that I have at 100K. Yeah, assuming that yeah, this is the top of market, and now here we are again going to be at 30K, and I will buy it again. So I'm not doing these things because institutions has entered in this market. So institutions may play it out here. Everybody is thinking out here that the top for Bitcoin is going to be around 100K, 200K, maybe 500K, but this is complete long term. We are looking like on a short term basis. So for short term, if you have some Bitcoin, you can sell at 100K. I'm not saying you that sell all your Bitcoin at 100K. I'm not saying you that buy all your Bitcoin at 48K or 40K if Bitcoin reaches out there. So maybe Bitcoin reaches out there, but I'm not going to suggest you, because I'm not going to predict. I'm not going to be above the market. I am trying to be with market. I'm not going to predict. Yeah, I can prove it with some technical analysis, but I'm not going to give you a short answer that Bitcoin is, this is the Bitcoin's top, this is the Bitcoin's bottom. So I'm not giving you these things, but yeah, you will get your short-term goals with joining us. This is the scenario I'm looking right now. So hope you get educated with this. And if you want to join our premium Telegram channel, link down the description below. So that's what's with this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Peace out.